Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I turned off the AC for a second because it might be too loud, but I'm packing for my vacation. There's a whole lot going on. I had thrown some things in my suitcase yesterday, but I wasn't totally finalized and everything. There's still some things that I need to add, but this is just majority of the stuff. I do have a whole notebook with a list, but everything's all over the place. So what I'm trying to do is tackle like putting away majority of the clothing. One thing I'm gonna add is a pair of shorts, but I haven't washed them yet. But I'm just trying to see what else I need to pack. So I'm trying to pack a majority of it. I have a bunch of these pouches. I used them last year from Disney Cruise to put things in. So I'm gonna see what can fit and where. I have one of these pouches. And then I have two big ones of these. To get into what I have. So I have a pile here. You guys can't really see, but I have a pile here with these are all my, what do you call this, my sleeping wear. I'm going on a 2-week vacation, but obviously I'm not going to pack 14 worth of items. That's kind of crazy. And where we're staying, there is a washing machine, so we can just wash stuff. So yeah, I have 2 pairs of short sleeves. Well, this has no sleeve, the top, with pants, because I'm supposed to get my cycle. I got 2 pant sets, and then I have 2 short sets. So that's what I got for that. And then for this is all my like underwear. I have a mixture of, I'm gonna add maybe 2 more, but I have to wash those. I haven't done my laundry yet because it wasn't full. So my goal is to this weekend to do the rest of my laundry and have majority of everything packed. Luckily I have multiple underwear, so that's why it's not an issue. But in total right now I have 14. I have a mixture of different types of underwears in here, and then I'm gonna add 2 more because I like to have different underwears. Obviously when I'm on my cycle, I don't wear like my nicer underwears. And then these are all like the shorts that I'm gonna take. Like I said, I'm going to add 1 to this pile because I totally forgot about 2 coming back what I'm gonna wear. So I am gonna add an extra. That's why I had to go get an extra shorts. But I have like 4 jean shorts. It's gonna be 5 when I add the other one. And then I just have like a regular shorts that I can just wear. This is probably just gonna be like a day where it's like a chill lounge day. I could wear this. This could also be a house type of clothes. And then I have a few t-shirts. I have about 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I have 6 shirts. One of them I'm gonna save to specifically to come back home, and I'll wear it with shorts. And then I have a couple of like house clothes type of things. So I have like this Puma top. Just gonna pair it with a regular biker short. And then I have this pink set. I think I showed you guys this last year when I was packing for the cruise. I wore this just to wear around the room when we're inside. And then I have this shirt. I just bought this not long ago, I think from Burlington. Just a regular shirt. I said I was gonna wear it outside, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as an in the house, in the resort type of shirt. And then I have these black pants to go with them because when I'm on my cycle, I think these are good shorts as well. Darker colors are better than lighter colors. I'm only gonna take 3 sets of house clothes. I think that's more than enough. I can just interchange them and wash when it's time to wash. So that's why I don't want to take too much. Then I have this set. This is in between. I don't know if it's going to be house or in the room or outside, but it's like a casual outfit as well. It's a pink. I think I wore this once or twice. I got this from Pink a while back. It's like a jumpsuit. So I just saw it now and I'm like, oh, let me take that. That's like perfect thing. And it's small to pack instead of jeans. And then I got a few dresses, some casual dresses, but like nice dresses. It's not like Disney Cruise. I had these like long dresses for Disney Cruise. I was like, I'm not doing that. It's just casual dresses I'm taking. So I have this pink dress, but it's a nice dress. I have this Halara dress that I've worn a couple of times. I have this other dress I think I wore once or twice that I got from H&M. I have a black dress that I got from H&M. I have not worn this yet. And then I have this red dress that I got from Airpostale, orange, red, whatever color you wanted. I showed you guys a haul of that dress. I've worn it once so far, so that's the list of dresses. And then I have this I just bought from I think Five Below. When we go to the water park, it's just like the water shorts to put on top of my bathing suit. I'm not gonna get into all the bathing suits because that's just too much, but all my bathing suits are already in here. I already have this already packed with my bathing suits and my cover-ups. I think I packed like 5 bathing suits. I'm gonna add the shorts into this. And then I know one of them is a bathing suit I never wore. I took it to the Disney cruise, I never wore it. Because I got my cycle, I just saved it just in case. And then I have a black Michael Kors one that I just bought. I guess I'll show you that one. It's a 1-piece, but it's like crisscross. So I have that one, and then I have a couple of 2-piece as well. And then I have some 3-pieces because it has a skirt, which I like, on the bottom. So anyway, it's already 5 minutes. So really quickly, oh yeah, and then also I forgot. Sorry, I have so much stuff that I have to pack now. And then towels, beach towel and regular towel. And I have this toiletry bag. Maybe we can get through everything, but I just took out some stuff, so I have to reorganize it. But I have like some of the things that I'm gonna take is like Cottonelle wipes. But I think what I'm gonna do now is just start packing things first, or organizing them. Oh, and then obviously really quickly too, shoes. So I have these two pairs of sandals that I'm gonna bring. I just put them in the plastic bag already. They're different type of brown sandals. And then I got these black sandals, I think from Temu a while back. It's gonna be like, I can go to the pool with them, or to like in the room to shake the shower. And then we recently got these water shoes. Just bought it from Amazon because everybody needed some new water shoes to when we go to like the water park. So that's that. I'll get into the toilet shoes after. Let me like pack or organize as much as I can into the leftover thing. What do you call these? The travel bags or pouches. Just because I feel like it does make your stuff neater. Oh, there's one in here. That's why I couldn't find it. I'm like, I know I had 5 in the set. The laundry pouches are a little smaller than these. I like these, so I'm gonna most likely use these for my dresses. And then we'll go from there and see what fits in what, and then whatever leftover space. And then this time I'm using a different suitcase. I got my suitcase switched. This is not a new suitcase. We used it last year, but I got this one this time. It's a Cole one. It's too heavy to show. But what I like about this one, and when I'll do like when I'm actually putting in the suitcase, I'll do a fast, what is the word? You guys know what I'm trying to say. There's a word for it. It's not B-roll, like time lapse. Yeah, that. So you guys can see, but it has an extendable piece in here. I did put some, oh, and also I put pads in, but I put it already in there. I was just stuffing pads. I'm just going to put a bunch of them. And then obviously on my carry-on backpack, I'll have some more pads just in case, extra ones. But I try to stuff some because there's, what I like about this, it has multiple compartments. But I'll show you guys the inside of it when I'm actually like packing. So let me do this part first, and then we can kind of like start neatly putting it into the suitcase. So my nails, this is my nails. I did them last week already. So I did a little early before my trip. Just coffin, and then I did like design pink with coffin with design. And then of course you guys know, but if you're new to this channel, you just dropped in this video. I did boho knotless. I'm sorry, not boho knot, boho with box braids. I didn't do knotless because I don't like the knotless. And this color is, I forgot, 350. It's not 350. I have it in my phone still if I didn't delete it. But for real, let's get into organizing this now. So
shoulders of gold, heartbroken from pressure. All I need is someone to stand by. Said all I need is one more sleepless night.
To leave, it's just you and me. Your eyes answer to my no disguise. Guess I don't mind your blind lies. I got your sign, so let's find some time to unwind.